What if the greatest visitors to our world never meant to leave? Across a galaxy that devours time itself, a civilization rose high enough to cross the dark between suns. Yet even perfection rusts in silence. Their machines could defy distance, but not decay. They came seeking renewal, an echo of home, and found only gravity's mercy. No machine lasts forever. Radiation chews memory, circuits fracture, light fades. Entropy waits for gods and dust alike. Maybe they knew this journey would end in exile. Each generation born inside a shell of metal, dreaming of worlds they would never see. They sailed on, unaware their galaxy had already forgotten them. Through endless dark, a shimmer appeared, blue, alive, fragile. A planet wrapped in breath. Their engines faltered, guidance failed. They entered orbit not by command, but by collapse. To them, Earth was not conquest. It was survival, a refuge lit by oceans and hope. A streak of fire tore across primitive skies. Mountains shook, thunder answered. The first humans looked up and saw a burning star descending. Some ran, some worshipped. In their stories, it became a chariot of flame, the home of gods who fell from heaven. They touched the soil of a world unborn. The ship lay broken, reactor bleeding light. Tall beings stepped into rain, their brilliance dimming with every breath. They searched for metals that did not yet exist, for help that would never come. In the creatures around them, they saw the faintest reflection of themselves. Centuries passed beneath alien suns. Their reactor dimmed, data eroded. Some still tried to repair the impossible. Others turned to the evolving beings nearby, fragile, curious, afraid. They began to teach fire and stone, constellations and rhythm. When words failed, they spoke through symbol. They could not leave, and so they became memory. To the tribes, they were not engineers, but gods. One by one, they lay down beside the dying core. Forests grew above them. Time folded their bones into earth. Myths would name them watchers, angels, serpents, the same ghosts with many tongues. The planet healed. Winds erased their footprints. Oceans reclaimed their metal. Only mountains remembered their shapes. Yet memory persisted, in carvings, in symbols, in stories of skyborn teachers who vanished when their fires went dark. Gods replaced truth. Worship replaced history. Dawn returned to humankind. Sparks of flint mirrored stars above. In our eyes, their wonder remained. In our hands, their curiosity. Perhaps even in our code, the faint hum of their design. We became the new travelers, born from their ashes, heirs to both their brilliance and their silence. Millions of years later, we built our own ships of metal and thought, sending voices into the dark, searching for someone who might still remember. Maybe we are repeating their story, building monuments against time, unaware that every orbit ends in silence. Civilizations rise and fade, not from arrogance, but from distance. Even the brightest mind cannot outlast entropy. Maybe that is the true constant. The universe keeps only the memory of motion, not the traveler. Yet perhaps this is beauty, not tragedy. To exist, even briefly, is to become part of the endless pattern. The travelers who never returned are within us. Their atoms, their light, their story. We will vanish too. But somewhere, someone will look up and wonder who once came before.